Try to answer 10 questions. 5 seconds for each question. Pause to think. Let me know your score below in the comment section. Your question is, I dash in London. I live in London. What does he dash about you? What does he know about you? Earthquakes dash in Japan. Earthquakes come in Japan. Your next question is, Sachin strikes the ball. It does across the boundary. Sachin strikes the ball. It goes across the boundary. Your next question is, PM dash the deal. PM signs the deal. Your next question is, I don't know what he does about you. I don't know what he knows about you. Your next question is, the sun dashes in the east. The sun rises in the east. I dash here daily. I come here daily. He dash. He smokes. Your next question is, you dash a song. You sing a song. Thanks for watching, guys.